Hey, what's up guy? This is your girl Celeste and I'm here to talk about Bitcoin. So a quick disclaimer here, I'm not a professional, but it's just my opinions talk. Okay? So let's get started. And let's begin with my background when it comes to trading. So back in Singapore, I'm not a professional trader, nor am I inspired to be one. All I want is just to trade my way to be financial free. I guess a lot of people have the same dream.
Duh.
But I failed. So I was in the 99% club. I mean, most traders fail, right? Back then I was doing options trading in the stock market. I had an account with Think or Swing. So long story short, I lose about 4,000-ish dollar. Then I closed my account, and then about 2 years back I came back to Malaysia, my home country here, and then I joined to pay courses. Cost me about 8,000 ringgit. One is the options trading from Singapore company. What's the guy's name? I think Sean something. And another one is from Sandy. He's teaching basically beginner stuff, like how to spot a doji. Anyway, long story short, I was thinking, okay, I had tried options trading in the stock market. Let's dive into the cryptocurrency because it seems like there is way more money to be made because volatility. Oh my, I can't even come up with the volatility is much higher when it comes to cryptocurrency. So I started to do options trading in cryptocurrency. More specifically is Bitcoin. So I got myself an account with Deribit, pump in some money, and I was doing pretty good. I treat myself to travel alone in Krabi, Thailand for a few months, and then I was doing some soul searching in Pakistan alone. I lose money again. Girl, I did it again. Okay. Where was I? Yeah. I lose money. Okay, so I left with about 0.1 Bitcoin. So I was thinking, trading, okay, just trading. I'm done with trading. I'm not gonna trade anymore. So I just put that 0.1 to Celsius. I got myself an account with Celsius, and every Monday is a payday from Celsius. Now looking back, if I just buy and hold and just wait and just get busy with my life, most likely I would have made some money instead of lose money. Because when it comes to trading, there's a lot to do with yourself. Like a normal human being would freak out when they see the price drop. Most people know that they should buy in dips. They should buy when the price drops, but then our brains keep telling us, what if it drops again? Yes, a lot to do with psychology. Go against the thinking pattern, which is the thing. So my point here, my point for this video, buy Bitcoin only if you believe in Bitcoin, the values of Bitcoin. If you go long term, okay? If you have that insight, you wouldn't be freaked out when the price drop. You buy and you just get busy with your life, and you wouldn't be bothered with a lot of noise out there telling you that, oh my, this is gonna happen, oh don't do this, which country's banned is now banning Bitcoin, whichever countries, companies now adopt Bitcoin, and blah blah blah. Stick to your own rules. For me, buy when the price drops and just hold. Just hold. Do this for long terms and you see yourself in a different position 10 years later. And right now for me, as a person who already went through that period where I was so freaking naive, anyone who say do this and you'll be financial free, I was hooked. That was back then. Now, anyone who tell me do this and you'll be financial free, it doesn't even take. I really see it through. Somebody who is living that life financial free, they're way too busy to teach you how to be financial free unless you are the tool for them to be financial free. Last, as you may already know, we need some information diet, right? Back then, I remember the first thing first, I woke up in the morning, I would grab my phone and check the price of Bitcoin. You can imagine how bad of state I was living. I was constantly in anxiety, in a very bad mood, in worries, which is definitely not a good state to attract wealth, to attract money, to attract luck, to attract abundance in your life. So buy Bitcoin only when you believe in the value of Bitcoin. Buy when the price drop, just hold it and do this for long enough time and you see yourself in a different position. So yep, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm Celeste. If you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up. Yep, see you guys later. Talk soon. Ciao.